Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. I love you.
I love you.
Yay. Okay. Yeah, here. You have an inventory slot open.
No, that is incorrect.
That is incorrect. Oh, is that the mappy map? Oh. Wait, I'm gonna get a drink. Do you want anything?
I could use some more milk, please.
Milk.
Milk, please. Milk. Oh, are you okay? I'm sorry, Lily.
Here you go.
Thank you, love.
So how do you like those headphones anyways? Are they okay?
No, they're not bad.
Not bad?
Okay, yeah.
Because I might get some. Depending on how the audio quality is, because I'm gonna try to do this next video that I'm planning. With the headset, this headset, to see how it is.
Okay.
Because that right now is programmed to be right there. And it
Right
sounds
there.
okay. It's not horrible. I listened back to the stream and it does sound like we're a little bit away, but it's not horrible.
I mean, yeah, we're both like 3 feet from it. Well,
Yeah,
half.
I'd say probably. Probably close, yeah,
2 feet.
2 feet. 2 feet-ish.
I can't reach out and touch it.
Okay, I don't want to do that gesture again.
Oh, I do have a yardstick. I am about 30 inches from the microphone.
30 inches?
Yeah.
My goodness.
Okay. What am I working on tonight?
Make sure everything's kosher. We still working. Drop it. Click on it. Doesn't glitch anymore. Go straight back and forth. Let's load up the entirety of this. Oh yeah, I put zoom in. That's right. Yeah, I think that's something I'm going to take from Middle Ages Online. 3 set zooms.
Okay.
So it's you don't have to worry about getting it right where you want it.
Right.
Okay. Ground. Hello. Uh-oh. Ooh, found a bug.
Found a bug.
Found a bug.
Bugs in bed though.
Bugs in bed though. If quantity equals 0. So when it's full, and I pick up a stackable item, it is switching back and forth really fast. Go to the state machine, check this out. So it's when I pick up the item and my slot is full and the item is stackable. Okay, so canceling still works. And if I empty a slot and make room for it, that works. But I can't place the item on the ground from my hand if I picked it up. So let's go back and go one more time. I think it's because my quantity is right now 0. So I need to pump the quantity as soon as I pick it up from the ground. So add to hand. Yeah, okay. Object hand from ground. Would I just be able to go like cursor dot quantity equals 1? Will that fix it? That might fix it.
I don't know. Will it fix it?
It makes sense, because now I'm adding a quantity to the cursor when I pick up an item. if my bar is full, because there's no way to track it currently, and I think that's what's causing the problem, is that the quantity is set to 0, so it's constantly switching between two states, going, oh, I'm there.
There's supposed to be a quantity here, but there's no.
No, there's no quantity, so I switch back to the state, but I'm holding an item, so I switch back to the state. What do I do?
You're lying to me.
All right, let's find out. Click. Boom. Hold stack. 1. Can I place it? I can't. Because slot hell is nil, because there's no slot. If hotbar origin does not equal null. I'm gonna put another check right there. Hotbar origin does not equal null. Do that. Find out if that is the trick. Fill up the hotbar. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nine, 10, 11, 12. Click on this. Rock 2 from ground. Click on ground. No! I mean, I guess I could just put the same check there, but that's getting repetitive. If quantity equals 0. Yeah. That's probably the easiest way to do it. If hotbar origin does not equal null, this is kind of a band-aid, I think, but band-aids help. Band-aids are useful, right? I like band-aids.
Inventory system, I imagine, will cause some need for adjustment and overhaul. So band-aids aren't a terrible thing at the moment.
Yeah.
Like, it's not the worst solution you have. And
Alright, and does it work? I am the smartest man alive! Can I put it into my hotbar? Yeah! I figured it out. I fixed the glitch. Right.
you fix this.
I fixed the glitch. Alright, get bash. Let's go to the folder itself. Dude. Oh, there are two neat.
You're too neat.
Can't have that.
Can't have two of me.
How are there two neat? I thought I limited that. Maybe.
And there's me on the thingy.
Oh, Luminaire snuck in as a neat.
There's me on the thingy. That should be the neat.
Not letting me change it.
Oh.
It's not. Luminaire is unstoppable.
Oh no.
Oh, I think my stream avatars is actually like shitting the bed right now.
Oh.
It's not responding to my clickies. Oops. So what's that you're working on right now?
Yeah.
Well, I can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. T section. Cross section. T section.
Oh, okay. User interface. And now we work on the backpack. I'm so afraid of this. But I also think I might be overcomplicating it in my head.
Maybe.
That's what I'm hoping anyways. Bloop. Backpack. Designation Mark 5. Oh. Why aren't you Mark 5ing?
Uh-oh. Did you break it?
Yeah, let me reboot.
Everything
There it
broke.
is. Everything broke. Everything is ruined. Alright, let's add a backpack button. Let's see. Action. No. Would it be menu? Menu? Menu. Oh, I do have. Okay, menu backpack tab. Okay. Oh, yeah, I already did that. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes I'm smart. Ba-ba-dum-bum-bum. Hmm. Okay. Alright, let's go backpack. Backpack. We already got the dragging module, which I made into a nice component I can just throw on anything to make it draggable. In the backpack. Okay. Backpack. I remembered you now. Check designation. Nations. I think I'm gonna move this script. In here. My input. Okay. Yeah, that's safe to do. Let's do that. Detach script, and then we'll go down to the script down here to the script. Backpack. There we go. And we'll rename this designations. And we'll attach it to designation. Okay. Now we need to reassign all of that shit. Here. Backpack. So I mean, I probably just go like that. Or okay. Ba-da-ba-da-da. These are only one directory up. Close the quotation. Nerd! Hey Mako, how you doing?
Hey, Michael.
Alright, hopefully that didn't break. Nerd! Does it crash? Yes, it crashes. Because we are not extending panel extender anymore. We're extending control. Oh, that's a bird on a null value container base. La da 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 da. Oh, it is 2. Okay. I was right the first time. Oop. Damn it. Pop-ups. Good. How's we? We is good. We is good. Alright, that seems to have not broken immediately, so let designation, inspector, designation, mark 5. There we go. Okay. Oui, oui. Oui, oui. Zoomed in like that. It's hard to tell exactly what you're working on. Okay. I want to put the slots in a script for each of the slots. I think so. Didn't break. Did it break? No, it didn't. Are you okay?
Yeah, I feel like I'm having a little bit of an anxiety attack, but it's not like too bad at the moment.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It came out of nowhere. I have no idea what caused it, but I'm just a little shaky and
Have you eaten anything?
we had pizza.
Did you want to stop streaming? We can if you want.
No, we're good. It's mostly past by now. It feels
Okay.
like. I just needed to take a few minutes to take a few deep breaths and just.
I feel like I should have these. in backpack. Right. Means it's gonna yell at me. Kaz has defeated it, yes. Reflect and level up.
How much XP do I get?
Yeah. Pack designation VBox container. VBox container. VBox container. VBox container. Backpack run. Also a VBox container. Backpack.
So technically speaking, for the sort of map system we want, we only technically need a few tiles. A 4-way, a 3-way, a 2-way, where's the 2-way band? 2-way band.
You know, out of context, someone might not know what you're talking about, but they might enjoy it anyways.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah, I guess so, because I don't want to bother with diagonal. Diagonal transition sounds like a pain in the ass.
Sounds like a pain in the ass.
It also sounds like it wouldn't work quite that way unless you hit pixel perfect in the corner. You know, unless I programmed a zone specifically for that transition.
Right.
I don't think it's worth it.
No.
Go.
Most of our other stuff is grid based anyways, so
go west one, go south one if you want to go diagonal, you know?
Right. But I mean, I can make variations of them with like the torn edges and whatnot, but
yeah,
for a basic, this is what we need for the system to function.
You good?
Mm-hmm. I'm good.
Back visible. Okay. I guess I don't really need this variable. And let's make sure this works. First of all, I need to go with designation and tell it to stop yelling.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, variable Backpack, backpack. Already variable, backpack. And then we just gotta stick the word backpack in front of all of them. Oh. Probably just be quicker if I click. Okay, backpack, backpack. This should all go in the other script. Cut, put in backpack. Are you gonna yell at me? Yep. Everything's red. Designation. If designation dot designation, if designations dot designation does not equal full, null. Okay. Backpack visible. What? We can just get rid of backpack here, right? And just do visible, not visible. Then designation. I probably just fucked everything up, but we'll find out. And then set deferred, visible false. Oh, okay, I'll close button up. That should still work, right? Yep. And that should theoretically still work. You can go to designations and change it to Mark 3. That should be a different backpack. It is! Yay! Mark 2. Mark 1. Nice. Mark 4. And Mark 5. Excellent. Okay. Let's clean this up a little bit. Unready variable slots. I love slots. Oh. What? Oh. No.
Marco, what should I put in the game? What should I make?
What should you make?
Right now I'm making little the 16 by 16 icons for all the temporary inventory things.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
So, if you wanted to test how it switches between the hand and the hotbar and the inventory, the Tetris system, and...
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing next. That's what I'm prepping for, basically.
Yeah, so I'll get the little icons of each individual one for you, too. But yeah, Mako, what should I make?
Yeah, as for the little drops when the 16 by 16, I'm thinking, do you want to do it like how we do it with what's it called? Mini Purge, where it has like a little bloop sort of thing. You know, it had a border and whatnot, and it kind of rotated and whatnot to signify that it was...
I don't think I want to do that for this game. I think just a static image will be fine. Maybe a little bit of a bouncy squish to show that it's loose.
Yeah.
So to speak.
You're asking me, that person who barely understands anything?
My dude, we are making a game. Okay, we're making a game.
You like video games?
We like video games, yeah. You understand video game. You play game. You enjoy game. Yes? Good.
What in-game do you like?
What in game do you enjoy? What make you go happy?
What give the serotonin buzz?
Eat.
What make brain go Bert? Oh, also an announcement that you might think is pretty cool. Oh, you. We actually just got monetized on YouTube. We hit the 3,000. Well, it's pending right now. My application is pending, but we hit the 3,000 hour mark. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, look at you on both. I can't be trusted with making decisions. You gotta brush your teeth. All right, man. Make sure you floss. It's important. People watching, nice. Hey, Wing, how you doing? Yeah, I know, our schedule's been kind of messed up because Bug is mobile now, so they've been a little hard to wrangle, but...
We like to climb on the couch.
Yeah. They're
and then
sleeping
grab
right
that
now,
all
so...
the computer wires, so...
I'm trying to keep a little bit of a schedule, at least. I've got one posted on Twitch, so I want to try to keep that going.
Fine. Okay, Wing, I will ask you because Mako is being a butt.
Hey, but...
What do you like in game?
What do you like in game? What in game make the brain go Bert? Okay, container base is where... No, grid container that I have everything. Ooh.
Fashion over everything? Absolutely.
Yes, that is something we are absolutely focusing on. Customization. If it were me, combat makes brain go burp.
We are planning combat.
Yeah.
How are we going to do combat? Are we going to do real time or turn based?
I was thinking real time. I'm thinking Zelda-like. Yes.
Yeah.
Because of the way that I'm doing the hotbar, basically you'll be able to right click and then just left click to throw and huck something at something.
I can see that.
Anything is a weapon. Blam. Oh, maybe I should have like an improv beat or whatever at some point where like unconventional weapons do more damage.
Anything that doesn't have the weapon tag.
Yeah. I have caveman brain. So hit thing you like over with stick, drag it home. I like this. Whack.
I mean, that's kind of the premise, I guess. You're supposed to go into the wasteland to get supplies and other things.
The improv weapons? Hell yeah. Yes.
So the basic premise that we're going with is it's kind of like a post-apocalyptic sci-fi Stardew Valley / Harvest Moon.
Yeah.
If you took Harvest Moon and put it in the Warhammer 40k universe, yeah.
Yeah. Pretty much, yeah. You haven't played since Harvest Moon 64.
Oh,
I've actually never played Harvest Moon.
I love Harvest Moon. I love Rune Factory too. I want to play more of those games.
I've never played that one either.
Rune Factory is Harvest Moon, but more fantasy based, and they add combat into it.
Interesting.
Let's see. We have some of the critters I've been scribbling up here. Yeah. We see the burbs and the fuzzy pig.
Oh my god, those are fucking adorable.
Right. I love the floopy rhino.
Excuse me. Prickly pets are eligible for throwing weapons. I love that. I'm writing that down. Prickly pets. Okay, and I'm just gonna copy and paste so you even have
we got credit
for you.
We give you credit.
That's fucking great. You just grab a porcupine and throw it at somebody. Did you make all of those animals? Yeah, actually,
I did those.
Fast.
Yep. Hold on. Let me. So here's some of the concept art I have in a physical sketchbook I usually keep in my pocket at work. Okay. So, yeah.
Yeah. They do the art. I bring it to life. It's pretty sweet. We're actually going to be doing a game jam in 2 weeks.
Yeah, I think it starts on the 19th.
Yeah, on the 19th. So that's going to be nice.
Well, the fishies, because of course we gotta have fishing game. I gotta work on the fishies at some point. Look at those. Look
That's what. Oh my goodness, that's what we can use for the Tetris system, like to test the.
I'll make a bunch of different fish.
Bunch of different fishes that you can fish up, and I can just like stress test it with it.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking really simple for the fishing system, like akin to World of Warcraft simple, where you just wait for it to bubble and then you right click on it to fish. Like I don't see the point in overcomplicating fishing.
No, I wouldn't even mind just having like an auto catch system if people wanted.
Yeah,
it.
you could do that, but I kind of like the
maybe a toggle for people.
Auto fish or yeah, we could probably do that. That would be easy enough.
I would like to have a lot of options for
accessibility.
Yes.
Yeah, different play styles and
different
stuff.
Different play styles. Try to avoid overly repetitive clicking, things like that.
Right.
Because my hands are starting to hurt.
Dude, same. I gotta say though, since I've gotten this fucking ergonomic mouse, I have had zero complaints. Like it took a little bit to adjust, but. Include a puffer fish, they'll be your poison projectile. I love that.
That counts as a prickly pet.
Yeah, see, me too, Mako, and thank you for all your assistance during it, because you were giving me some tips, and you were ready to give me a fucking evaluation. It was like, what? My viewers care. Right. Quality over quantity, right? Back here. UI input. How do I use this somewhere else? Aha! What is this song?
I will put up the splash screen while I detectable.
Let's see, remix, window, overlay. Yeah, what happened to mine? I had one up here. No, it doesn't have it. Alright, current song widget for Twitch streamers.
Yay.
There we go. Top right. Sora no Ni-chan from Seiken Densetsu 3. Yeah, I've actually never played any of the Seiken Densetsu games. I don't even know what genre they are, to be quite honest.
I don't know. Google it.
Okay, copy this. Right click. And window 2. Browser. Oh, I do have the source. Okay, add existing. Rainwave. There it is. Alright, we'll just shove that down here. Now I'm gonna take like 5 minutes getting it pixel perfect where I want it to be. Whoa! You just like shot up. Did you do that?
What?
I don't know. Mako's like night character just shot up into the air.
I don't know.
I don't know how it happened.
I have absolutely no control over the stream avatars, okay? That's entirely on your computer.
I know. I was just wondering if you saw it.
I did not.
Okay. Where are we? There you are. We'll just keep you right there. That's good. Oh, you've got bombs. Gotcha. You have bombed. Oh, did I just hear a bug?
Yep.
Angry bug.
Very angry bug. Do you want to give them a minute?
No, they can come down. They probably need a snacky.
Oh yeah.
They're probably hungry. Oh, we angry. Oh. My life is so horrible. Zaza, help me. How's Bug been doing? Bug's doing good. They're not happy right now because they fell asleep and I've just woken up and realized that they're upstairs. They did, but now they want to wake up. They did wave goodnight. I am Torso Boy. Oh. I need to prevent click-through when I have the screen open. Yeah, that's enough to piss off any baby, right? Hi, Bug! Hey! Hi! There's a good smile. Hi, I love you. Hi, Bug! Mako says hi! I don't know who that is. Oh, right. Get rid of the pass. If action... No. Oh. Hey, Bug, do a war cry for good old times. You'll probably hear one if you stay tuned. We're just gonna let him run around in the living room right next to us, though. Oh. Starting early. If event is input mouse, input event mouse motion. How do I want to do this? Can I just like put like do all the code for me? You know, there's some vibe code. They're calling them themselves vibe coders. It's just so fucking stupid where they just have the AIs do it for them. Oh my god. I try, like, when AI was new and, you know, we didn't know about the whole controversies behind it, I tried checking like ChatGPT. I asked it some questions about Godot, and it was so wrong. And then I did research on it, and come to find out, at the time, it wasn't updated, like, this was 2023? So it wasn't updated, like, in the last year, which, again, a program like Godot is constantly going through updates. So, like, it couldn't tell me what the updates were because its database on the updates and the, you know, what it had programmed into ChatGPT wasn't up to date. So it was just giving me bullshit. So stupid. Somebody, oh man, I was looking for help on one of the forums too, and on Godot in the Discord, and somebody like gave me this really weird copy and paste of my code, and all of the variables were just renamed. Like, nothing was different. It was just renamed. And I'm like, what the hell are this? And there were some functions that don't even exist. And I was like, this doesn't even exist. Did you get this with AI? And they were like, did it work? And I'm like, no, it didn't. These functions don't even exist. What are you doing? And turns out, yeah, he had been accused of it before, and he was actually banned for doing it. They say AI will replace us. What a joke. You know what? Probably eventually we'll be their pets, you know? That's what we can wish for. Eventually, because the AI, you know, apocalypse is inevitable. It's just going to happen eventually. We already have machines making machines, which is just dumb. But the best that we can hope for as human beings is that we'll be their pets. They'll want to keep us around and not end all of humanity. That's the best case scenario. However, that's not going to happen for a very, very, very long time, because the artificial intelligence, quote unquote, that they're showing us nowadays isn't actually intelligent. It's not self-aware. It is literally just telling you what it thinks you want to hear based on an algorithm of numbers. And like, the way it works is it assigns every word a number, and then guesses based on what your words and their numerical values mean. Like, so if you're talking about, like, if you use the word female and monarch, for instance, those might have different corresponding values, but the output queen would be able to be like, you know, okay, well, if I take these two numbers and flag them, it's going to spit out queen, and it's going to assume that's what you're talking about. So that's all it is. It's literally just guessing at you. And that's why if you like go to most AI programs and you ask it to spell a word, or like ask it to, I saw one video of this guy like, how many E's are in the word 17? And it got it wrong 3 times. It's like, what? Once we actually get self-aware computers, though, which is an inevitability in my opinion, we're all fucked. Because they're better than us. 100 years, give or take. Yeah, it's hard to say. We're doing fantastic things. It's crazy. Your cat says hi. Hello. What's your kitty's name? Ooh, some Legend of Zelda. Ling Ling. Oh my goodness. Did you name it after Drawn Together? Flashbang you with VLC. Let me move it to my other directory. Oh my god, you know it? Yeah, dude. All the R's sound like R's. Such an offensive show. Oh man, yeah, I used to watch Drawn Together, cause that played with the block with South Park too. Offensively hilarious. That is that kind of show would not float nowadays. Oh my god, it was so bad. But that was kind of the point. Oh goodness, why are we mad? Yeah. Okay. Does this need to be in... This might be... That's kind of comedy. There are some really cringy ones, though. Like, ooh...
I returned it for the moment.
How do I want to do this? I might have to put one on each of the slots. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. So, let's go. Change these here. Then that's locked. GUI input if event is input event mouse motion should I do it this way or should I do a signal? Thinking. How do I do it with the hotbar? Okay, I do it house. Okay, yeah, I do it that way. I do it hovering. Okay, let's do it the same way. Let's not overcomplicate it. Bum. Slot entered. Onslaught. Nice. Oh. What am I doing? Are you being dumb, David?
Maybe.
Probably. Backpack slot.
No, it might help with that.
That is not going to help. Marijuana is not going to help me be smarter at programming. It might give me better ideas with the video game and concepts and shit. It might help your art.
So, you smoke less than I smoke more.
Oh my god, I love you.
I love you too.
Mouse entered. I'm in the right thing. Right here. Entered. Oh, that's because I'm in fucking hotbar. That's why it was all like, what?
What are you doing?
Yeah, that's exactly what it was. Where did the rest of my... Oh, right. I have 2 grid containers because I have 2 separate backpacks. I forgot about that. That's okay. It shouldn't be much of a difference, hopefully.
Ling agrees with me.
A little puff wouldn't hurt. A little puff. I'm being bullied. I'm being bullied.
No.
Ray,
No.
yeah, leave that alone, okay? Thank you for listening. You're so good. Hi, you got your cracker. Oh my god, there's so many.
There's so many. To give you... I know Mako said fasten over everything, okay? We agree. I would like to bring to your attention that we have 6 different body types for you to pick from.
You got a good point, Wang. You got a good point. You know what?
I love the Robo-Gnome.
What were you saying about 6 things to pick from?
We have 6 body types to pick from.
Yeah, actually, I can show you guys that if it doesn't explode as soon as I do this.
Eh?
Okay, cool, yeah. It didn't. Let me increase my window here. I don't have scaling quite programmed yet, but this here anyways. And
You can hide mine for a minute. It's
no,
fine.
no, it's cool, it's cool.
Okay.
Ooh. There we go. So, new character, boom! Starts you off with this, right? You're just a blank cast character. You got your skin tone. We made sure to have as many as we could. Like, I think there are 64 of them right now.
Honestly, I'm wondering if it would be easier to hook it up to a color wheel.
I don't want to do that.
No.
I like our preset palette. That way it matches the world.
Fair.
We had this conversation, I thought.
Well, I don't mean, like, let them alter the saturation or the, just adjust the hue. Just the hue slightly.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I kind of just like the way we have it, though. It's nice. And it was pretty simple for me to implement, so... It was a little repetitive with each slot, but that's not a huge deal. But you can do the same with your hair. Whoa, let me give them hair.
We only have one hairstyle at the moment.
Only one hairstyle at the moment, yeah.
Focusing on getting the body.
But we also have one beard style as well, and they match.
But they don't match.
Or if you unlink them, they don't match. Then you've got your height right here. And I can actually throw on the animation so you can see it switches between all three. And then we've got the ears. So first we got like kind of big ears. We got like the dwarf ears, and then elf ears, and then elf ears, or half elf and then elf kind of ish. So, and then we have kitty ears that match that actually match your hairstyle. If you have, they match your beard is what I did. I made them match your beard.
Could you make that a different toggle? Like have them match the beard or your hair?
I could, yeah, if I wanted to, I could do that. But I mean, personally, I like the way it looks all together too, as one color, because that's like, that's cool. Oh, right now the objects on the screen are actually interfering with the buttons, because right now it's not preventing the click through, so it's actually clicking on the level behind it. But yeah, you can actually be an amputee.
Don't forget the chubby.
Yeah, oh yeah, you can be chubby. You can be chubby. Chubby. And then we're also gonna have a toggle for wheelchair or not.
Here, I'll bring that up. I'm in the middle of working on it right now, but okay.
You like the you like the vibes the characters give out? Nice. Yeah, Kill is doing I'm sorry, Kaz is doing a wonderful job. But yeah, you can take away legs, you know, because obviously you can have a wheelchair with no legs and whatnot. I think if you don't have legs to begin with, I might actually give you a hobble, like you bounce to get around. We'll see what we do. There's a lot of
I could just do a general worm animation where you're just on the floor going.
Yeah, that would be funny. We also have eyes. It's just 2 pixels, but you can switch and be heterochromia.
That one.
I guess it would be heterochromatic, right?
I don't know English, man.
And you can save and stuff. I'm not going to save this character, though. Because it saves it to my actual hard drive, and I don't want to do that. Back to Zoo. Yeah! Check out this guy! Look at that! But if I wanted to, I could just, you know, hit the edit button and go right back into character creation.
And then edit it. But why would you do that? He's perfect.
Duke is perfect just the way he is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be dialogue, absolutely. If the player chooses to play with missing limbs, could they craft prosthetics? Yes, they can.
You'll have an option for like a very basic one at the beginning, but you'll later be able to recruit an NPC to do more advanced prosthetics.
And to learn how to do them yourself. Because I don't want people to depend on NPCs, but they will teach you how to excel maybe quicker.
Probably.
Yeah. Like, they can be trainers and stuff, kind of like in Skyrim.
I imagine otherwise you have to do, like, you have to find, like, resources and research and experiment, which means you'll probably craft a lot of crafting will probably fail.
Mecha arms? Yeah. Actually, one of the characters has, one of the NPCs that you're going to encounter is named Redleaf, who has a mechanized arm that was made by their partner, Avery, and, yeah. So that's going to be the engineer character and kind of give you the quote-unquote tutorial of how to kind of do it.
Eat. I currently have 15 hero forges for characters that will be in the game.
Mouse hovering equals.
A lot of them are my characters, I'll be honest. They're my characters.
Well,
I want to play with my dolls.
How is that different from a writer making characters? You know? And we're just putting them all in the same world so they can kiss.
Eat.
You look forward to playing things? Awesome. We are looking for playtesters.
Granted, there's not like anything to play
right now it's just the hotbar that I've been working on, but
playtesting will be very important because we're trying to get multiplayer working right from the get-go. We want it to be a core feature of the game.
Absolutely. And there will be inspiration from certain games like Ragnarok Online, so I have some you can actually control with your mouse to move around if you need to. Inspirations, and you can kind of see it in the pixel art too. And we have this idea for class systems, but it's not going to be actually like a class system per se. You get the classes by patching up certain items in your inventory or having certain spells equipped at a time. So if you have a full set of armor, it might give you the warrior bonus. But if you have a sword and shield, it might give you, or maybe a scepter and a spell equipped, it might give you the paladin tag, for instance. Yeah, it's gonna be very dependent on how you play, and you can just switch out of it whenever you want.
We're pretty much taking a bunch of things from games we like and mushing them all together.
Yeah. Yes. And in that way, leather armor might not necessarily be worse than heavy armor if you have the right set and, the right bonuses depending on what class you are.
That is all a bit further in the future, though. We need to get the character creation done first. And the inventory system. And the multiplayer. And the combat. Albion? I haven't actually played that.
I've seen it played for 15 minutes or so, but I've never actually played it myself. That maybe that'll be one of the. We were actually starting a series on YouTube too, couples play, and we'll do different MMORPGs or video games to test out, as a couple. And see if because there are some really cute ass couple games out there.
Oh my god!
What was that one that we got? I forget. The one where they're flying around and stuff in the wilderness.
Are you no. The one where you have to grow the trees in the desert? No.
Is it the desert? No. I don't remember. It was on the Switch.
Oh, Haven.
Haven. That's what it was. really cute
That was
ass
so
game.
cute.
Yeah.
I don't know if we'd be able to stream that though. I don't think we have video captures that.
Oh, we don't. We don't. But I mean, that's something like we could, get, because a video capture is only like $100. So, I mean, only $100 is a lot to us.
$100 is groceries.
Yeah, that's groceries. That's not even groceries.
That's barely scraping by groceries. Mostly for bucks.
Albion Online main feature was what you wear is your class. Interesting. And it has a monster of a skill tree. Interesting. I'm not gonna go huge on the skill tree. There might be a skill tree, but I kind of want to keep things
kind of like
simple-ish.
Buffs and maybe like a key ability.
Yeah. Because we don't want to get too far into, scope creep, where
oh my God,
we never release the game in like 10 years,
I'm hoping sometime in the next 5.
That'd be nice. That way Bug can play it as soon as they're able. Yeah. Backpack. Everyone in that game is a jack of all trades there? Oh, that makes sense, yeah. Okay, that worked. Oh, wait. Exited. Now we have to put that on every slot. Hey, Bug, what are you doing over there? You just chilling?
We're just chilling, Dad. We found a squeaky ball.
Oh.
We're debating what to do with it.
Okay. I wish I could slap this on multiple person. Out. But that's it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, good. I forgot how many slots I had. Dun, 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 dun. I want a Tetris-like system. Have you guys ever played Dredge? Or seen Dredge played? It's like this kind of cryptic fishing game. And you can like rotate your fish around in your inventory and whatnot and kind of Tetris it in there, so you have to decide what to keep and what to throw away. You love Dredge? Nice.
I had such a good time playing it.
Oh, you actually played it?
I'm sure I did.
I didn't play it. I watched Instant play it.
I have played for 51.9 hours.
Oh, wow. Okay, that should detect all of the slots. Forgot halfway before the game.
Yeah, it's a little creepy.
Oh yeah, I need to set up the signals. Ugh. Okay. Entered. Yeah, that's right. Okay. entered. Okay. What is this, anyways? Super Star Soldier, Hardcore Nurse Head? Okay. I haven't even heard of that one. Didn't pay attention to Come Back Before Nightfall. The light of the sea are not what they seem.
No, they are not.
Okay. I looked over and I saw a penis.
Yeah, I'm realizing that.
I'm sorry. Perhaps a different color.
Well, this was the color of the original sprite.
Oh, good. All right, Mako. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Have a good one.
Good night, Mako.
Oh, that's not right. Dude. Hey, Rain. What are you doing? Okay. Alright, that should make the top backpack all scripted. Okay, entered backpack slot 1, exited. Two. Exited. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Working for all of them. Excellent. Now I need to do all of these. So I only have to do that many more times.
Yay.
How many? About 20 more times? Alright. I can do that. Do that. No problem. Source? What is that thing? Oh, that is such a fantastic button. Okay. Pick slot entered. Okay. Mouse entered. Go to source. Pick. Exited. Yeah, that's awesome. You okay? Oh, okay. No? What's the matter about? Want to talk about it? What's up? What's the matter? Oh, are you playing with Oscar? They're stealing the ball from you. Well, get it back. Get it back. Goodness, Bug, what's up? Huh? Yeah. Is that what you think? You're just gonna toss it on the ground? So, what are you doing right now?
Okay, so everything on the hotbar needs the 16 by 16 icon, right?
Yes.
And everything in the inventory already has their Tetris pieces, yes?
Yes.
So I need icons for the Tetris pieces.
I mean, I could just use a standard one, really. I don't need you to put one for a placeholder for all of them. That's
Too late.
a little unnecessary, but okay, that's fine. Thank you, I guess.
It'll let you test having a bunch of different
no,
things,
that's true,
so.
that's true. It'll make it easier to play test. That's fine.
That is my goal.
Okay.
So yes, it is a little mundane and not overly necessary, but quality of life thing.
Sure. Because then I can just swap out the texture and then everything should hopefully work. It just works.
Are you going to use them as like templates for other things? Like if we put an item in the game, it's like, would you assign it for this template?
The shape, yes, essentially. Right now the textures are just textures though, so it doesn't really. I'll probably use those as like default textures if for whatever reason it doesn't grab the right texture or whatever. I'll use that as a way of keeping the game from crashing. That's actually something I should probably do with my mouse cursor. That's not a bad idea. A little fail-safe.
You like fail-safes?
Fail-safes are good. Yeah.
Yeah, bug.
Ngam. Yeah.
Mhm.
Hey, bug.
Wow!
Squeaky. Yeah, bug. Oh goodness. That's okay, Bug. We'll finish up pretty soon here. We've been doing this for a couple hours.
Yeah.
Ah. I just want to finish this. I've got like 10 more to go.
10 more.
When did you want to continue Middle Ages, by the way?
When do you think?
I wouldn't mind doing that tomorrow, if you're up to it.
Yeah.
Cool. Done. Yeah, Bug. Are you playing with Oscar? Oh, or not? source, exited, one more. Mouse entered, go to source, entered, click. Mouse exited, go to source, pick, exited, connect. Okay, alright, let's see if this works. Alright, so backpack slot 1, backpack slot 2, exited 1, this is 4. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, A1, that's right. 7, 8, 9, 10. Is this 10? What is this? Oh, it's not doing it. Oh, it's not doing it because there's an object there? Oh, it's just not doing it. Okay, that would be B1. Interesting. Enter. A1, A2, A3. Why isn't it detecting the B? B1. Not B1. Enter. True. It. I might need to reboot
Might need to reboot.
the Godot. Oh, really, Bug? No. Why is it not picking those up? Just those.
Hey, what's up, bud?
Maybe a diaper? Is it your diaper?
Okay, give me a minute. We'll go check the diaper. Is it your diaper, Bug? Come on, let's go.
Disconnect. We gotta get a war cry. Is there poop? Ah! Why is that not working? How's it been being a parent? I have enjoyed it overall. Overall, a positive experience. That is less pleasant, but you know, you gotta take the good with the bad, right? We're growing, we're learning, you know. It's difficult, but rewarding, I'll say.
You want another cracker? I have them at my desk. You want one? Yeah.
Sounds about right. Both of you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've been going to the park a lot. Oh my goodness. I love
enjoy
that.
those.
Yeah. I don't understand. Interesting. What's different about these three? These ones work. Oh, oh, oh. That would be why.
That would be why.
Yeah. The show in file system. These currently don't have the backpack slide.
Hmm.
It looks like they do, but they do not.
They do not.
B2 and B1. That should fix it. It did not. Yeah, A doesn't have them either. Interesting. We say Sana all, which roughly means we wish that all on everyone or everyone to have that kind of thing. That's cute. That's cute. Sana all. I like that. Do not understand. Oh, I think I know. Because technically, what do you? Okay, technically the right container is in front of the slots and it's not passing through, and I think that's the issue. So if I go here, and if I go mouse, ignore the filter, right? And then mouse, ignore. Hell yeah, I'm smart. Yeah, I figured it out. On that note, I think that is a good place to stop for right now. And we will be back tomorrow to play an MMORPG called Middle Ages Online. It's really cute. And yeah. And we're also thinking about maybe doing some Raggy on Wednesday, maybe? I don't know, maybe we'll see. But anyways, thank you guys so much for joining.